I like this rainbow dot marker kit from Momo and Nashi because it has really nice dot markers. It comes with 10 activity sheets in it and 150 more that you can order with their QR code online. And as a school-based OT, one of my favorite activities is stencils, and this one comes with a really cute stencil. So how these work is, you can use whatever grasp you have. You don't need precision for this, which makes them great for little kids and preschoolers or kids with emerging fine motor skills. Grasp and dot. Using your eyes and your hands together to hit the target. These have just enough ink when you make the dots for nice clean circles. I would also use these dash lines as a tracing activity. You could have higher level kids practice their pencil skills using crayons or markers to trace the dash lines. So this is a really good activity sheet. Stencils are super great. I love them. I think you have to use so many skills. Hands, eyes together. Helping hand holds this still. And then let's do the bee. And you're just going to dot. I consider this a kind of errorless art. All you have to do is hit the target. Doesn't have to be perfect. The result is always really good. It's always good to create something that makes kids proud of their work. These stand up so they don't roll away, which is nice. And voila, we have a really cute looking bee. And for more advanced students, you could have them trace this with like a black marker to outline the bee. So you can level it down or up depending on what your students' needs are or your kids' needs are. These are something that I think are pretty great that I would recommend and I would be buying again.